Ever wondered why we cough? It's the body's natural reflex to clear the throat and breathing passages. Common culprits? Cold, flu, allergies, and even heartburn. But before you rush to the pharmacy, let's try some home remedies. First, stay hydrated. Drink lots of fluids. Warm liquids like herbal tea or chicken soup can soothe your throat. Second, inhale steam. It can help loosen mucus and relieve coughing. If your cough persists, don't ignore it. It could be a sign of something more serious. Seek professional medical advice. Remember, health is wealth. Let's keep that cough at bay and breathe easy. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.